Hey everybody, this problem with the compact product notation is quite a bit easier than it looks if you just realize that this decimal right here, 0.008, is just 1 over 125. And of course, if you recall your laws of exponents, you can write this as 5 to the minus 3. Okay, and that pretty much comes close to solving the problem, because now you can see you have a situation where you have common bases on both sides. And you'll use a familiar rule of exponents. In order, what you basically are using is this result a to the m times b to the n. One of the most simple rules, but people get it confused with the other one for some reason. You have m a's here, and you have oh, that should be an a, excuse me. Okay, that's an a. Okay, you have m a's here and n a's right here, so this is equal to a to the m plus n. Okay, and really this, what happens here when you multiply this out, the product notation means you multiply out each of these factors with 1 here, 2 here, 3, all the way out. And you repeatedly apply this law, and also you go ahead and do the distributive law in the same breath. Okay? This all should be pretty clear right here, what's going on. X happens everywhere. You'll note that this is, not that you need this, but this you could use the famous triangular number sum thing. What's that? 28 fours? Yeah, that's equal to 28. Now, you don't need a fancy formula. You can just directly add those numbers up and get 28. Can't you? 7 plus 6 is 13, 18, 22, 25. And yeah, it does add up to 28. So what we can do right now is note from this result up here, we can write down 5 to the minus 3, okay, which is this piece right here, remember, okay, is going to be equal to and y'all, sorry, this is to the 11th, my bad, raised to the 11th power. Okay, is going to be equal to 5, is equal to 5 to the 28x. And we are, of course, trying to solve for x. So what we get right here, folks, equating exponents. Remember, if you have the same bases, these are one-to-one functions, exponential function, one-to-one function, you can more or less cancel them out if you want to think of it that way. And what you get right here is minus 33 when you equate the exponents is equal to 28x. And then so that's minus 33 over 28 equal to x. There you go. And this is this type of problem, I think it has appeared in certain types of math competitions where you have to remember that decimals, a lot of decimals have nice fractional representations, so that's what happened right here. Recognizing 0.008 is just 1 over 125 in drag is a key start. And then just knowing what the pi product notation means also. So what do we get? X is equal to minus 33 over 28. All of his remonstrations are just because he thinks the problem is way too easy. He says, come on, man, challenge me. I don't got many years left.